All right, here we go. We have the lime green exhaust tips this time. Packaged super well. The folks over at BigBoz wasn't playing. They put staples and they put tape. Start with this one right here in the bottom. That's in there super tight too. I wanted to make sure that this thing doesn't come apart or open. Like that. All right, next up, let me get this if I could. And there you go. All right, last one. Come on. Come on. I already go. All right, and put this away. Get my knife here. Where my knife at? Where's the top? That's not it. There you go. Start here at the bottom. And the top. Just go down the middle. All right, let's open this thing up, and as you can see, there's a bunch of foam padding in between the tips, the walls of the box, as well as on top of the tip and on bottom, wrapped up super tight. Go ahead and get this paper off for y'all. Man, look at that. Fun fact, green's actually my favorite color. So shout out to BigBoz for sending us these. Get to show it off for you guys today. Let's get the saran wrap off. Again, rolled up super tight. They really wanted to make sure that this is protected and it makes it to its final destination intact with a perfect finish, no blemishes at all whatsoever. This is their gloss finish, lime green, and the gloss, you can see how much light it just reflects. And then again, let's go ahead and show off that laser etched BigBoz logo there, right there on the top of the tip. Just like the mid muffler and the muffler deletes, these are made from 304 stainless steel, double wall design, slant cut. Slant cut actually helps direct the exhaust flow away from your rear diffuser and your rear bumper. And just look at that nice shade of green. You know, the camera really doesn't do this thing justice. This thing looks beautiful in the light. A standout piece indeed. Shout out to BigBoz Exhaust. Good job on this.